In the world of economics, labor is often categorized by the training required. Let's look at the differences between skilled and unskilled roles. Understanding these classifications helps explain wage gaps and how different industries function within the broader economy. Skilled labor typically requires formal education or long-term training, while unskilled labor relies on tasks that can be learned in a short time. As you can see, the compensation often scales with the level of technical expertise and the duration of training required for the role. Choosing a skilled path is often driven by a desire for long-term growth and the ability to leverage unique, hard-to-replace expertise. Unskilled labor provides the essential foundation for many sectors, offering immediate access to the workforce without the burden of long-term schooling. Data shows a steady shift toward requiring more technical skills, as automation takes over many routine, repetitive tasks. Remember, the market pays for scarcity. The harder your skill is to replicate, the more value you generally provide to an employer. Understanding these dynamics is key to planning your career. Subscribe for more money basics and hit the bell for updates.